Hello students, today we will do the revision of solving linear equations. As our series was going on of linear equation, today also we will continue the same series, right? These are the questions. First have a look on the questions. Answers are there along with it only. These are the questions. We will try to solve few of them, but we will not be able to solve all the questions in the same video. The procedure is the same. You must know that maths need practice, right? So you do the practice by your own. I will explain you one or two, and rest the procedure is same. Let's see the first one is our 11x is equal to 42 plus 4x, right? So we just choose the like terms. This is the like term, this is the like term. It is here plus. When it comes in LHS side, it will become minus. 11x minus 4x is equal to 42. 11 minus 4 is 7. X is equal to 42. X is in multiply, so it will become divide here. 42 divided by 7. So in 7 table, 42 comes at 6th position. So 7 6 ja 42. So value of x is 6. Answer is 6, right? Let's do the second one. Our second one is 4x is equal to 2x plus 30. Again we will choose the like terms. It is 2x. When it will come in RHS side, it is a positive, it will become negative, right? Is equal to 30. When we subtract 4x from 2x, then we will get 2x is equal to 30. Again x is in multiply. When it will come here, then it will become divide. 30 divided by 2, it will be your 15 answer. And this is only our required answer. Then if you consider our third one is minus 3y is equal to minus 5y plus 22, right? This marker is not working properly. It is of minus. When it will come here, it will become of positive. Minus 3y plus 5y is equal to 22, right? Plus minus minus. If we deduct 3y from 5y, then we will left with 2y. 2y is equal to 22. And sign will be of plus only because 5 is positive, and when we write y is equal to 22 divided by 2, then our answer will be 11. Y is equal to 11, right? And this is the same answer. Answers are written here. Let's see our fourth one. Fourth one is 9x plus 5 is equal to 4x minus 2 bracket plus 8. So it is in multiply. 4 is multiplied by x also, and 4 is multiplied by 2 also. So 9x plus 5 is equal to 4x minus 8 plus 8. 9x, we will consider the like term together. 9x minus 4x is equal to 5 minus 8 plus 8. Plus minus will deduct. So 9 minus 4x is equal to 5x is equal to 5. X is equal to, it is a minus 5x upon 5, it is minus 1 answer, right? So students, this was the procedure of solving the linear equations. I am providing you the videos of linear equations since long back. I hope you understood this concept, right? If you have any doubt, then you can ask me. Take the assess of these other questions also. Answers are there along with them only. Solve it, and if you have any doubt, then you can ask me. If you like the session, then hit a like button and do subscribe my channel in order to never miss any new update. Also press the bell icon. I will meet you in my next session very soon. Till then, goodbye and stay tuned. Thank you for watching my video.